Hello guys, this is Favor Kings and I'm back again with another wonderful opportunity for you guys. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get a $1,000 free prop firm account that you can trade with. Right? Many of you might be thinking this is a competition account, but no, this is not a competition account. It's a prop firm account that you can start trading with. And in this video, I will show you how you can get it and start trading with it. And as you can see, I've been able to get mine showing on the screen. I've been able to get mine, and I'll show you the step-by-step process on how you can get it. And also I'll be talking about the terms and conditions, so make sure you stick around and watch this video to the very end. And in the last video I made, where I made video about how you can get $100 no deposit bonus, and you can withdraw from it in the space of 7 days, but just by trading one lot size. People are still getting the bonus and you can still claim yours. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also drop a comment in the comment section saying where you are watching from, so that I can keep making videos for your country. So without any further ado, let's dive into how you can get this wonderful opportunity. My name is Favor. Let's go. Alright, so to get this bonus, you have to download a app. Alright, you have to download the app, and if you go to the description menu right now, you will see a link there. The link is to my Telegram channel, and if you click on the link, it is going to take you to a Telegram channel where you are going to find the link to get everything you are going to be needing to get this bonus right there. Alright, so just click on the link, go to my Telegram channel, and click on the link to get the app. Alright, so after downloading the app, what's going to bring is something like this. You open the app and it's going to bring something like this for you. All right, so after getting something like this, click on apply now. All right, click on apply now, and it's going to take you to this place. And after getting here, I believe you know what to do. Just input your country, your email, and click on send code so that they can send a code to you. Input the code, enter your password and your mobile number, then click on register. After clicking on register, it's going to take you to their home page. All right, they will take it to their home page because it's going to automatically sign in, just like it did for me. So after getting to their home page, it's going to bring this one for you. You have to wait patiently for it to pop up. Wait patiently for this to pop up. After popping up, you just have to click on it. Just click on anywhere. Just make sure you are clicking on the free 1,000 funded account. Click on it and it's going to bring something like this for you. So after seeing this, just select what I selected right here, 1,000 USD, first time free rather. Click on it, and right here in the account type, you have to select Pro, VBS Pro leverage. You can either select Pro or Basic, but I suggest you select Pro. Alright, so after selecting Pro, just like I did in this video, alright, you have to scroll down a little bit. After scrolling down, then you click on confirm and proceed to payment. So as you can see, the worth of what you are getting is actually $20, but you are getting it for free, for $0, because this is your first time. All right, so you click on confirm and proceed to payment. After that, it's going to take you to this page. So after getting to this page, the only platform you can log into is MetaTrader 5. All right, no other platform apart from that. So after getting here, just click on pay for the order, $0, and after that, it's going to take you here. So after getting here, before I continue talking about the terms and conditions, I'll be dropping the terms and conditions to my Telegram channel as well. Alright, so the link will be in the description. Just click on the link and it's going to take you to my Telegram channel. When you get there, you are definitely going to find the terms and conditions to this bonus, and also do it to join the Telegram channel so that you don't miss out on updates concerning this bonus or updates like this. Alright, and also don't forget to hit the subscription button and drop a comment where you are watching from. So after getting here, you just have to click on start Vepsin prop trader challenge, and after that you are going to receive an email in your app, right, in your Gmail app. Just go there to get your MetaTrader 5 login details. All right, so after getting mine, I went to my MetaTrader 5 and I signed in. So this is mine right here. I've been able to get mine, so hurry up and claim yours right now. Thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day.